Hi, in this video we will see how to restore missing Finder sidebar on Mac OS. Let's open the Finder first. We can open the Finder from here. So click there and then it will open the Finder. And we are seeing there are a couple of folders, something like that, like Dropbox, FewSteps, something like that. You can easily customize this thing. I have another video. You can check that if you want to customize that part. But in this video, I'll show you how you can restore this thing. So suppose by mistake or somehow I actually remove this item. Okay, now it is not there here. Okay, from here the downloads is missing. Suppose the documents also is missing. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm removing this, so it's missing. Then desktop, it's missing. Okay, so now it's not there. So how we can restore? The restoration is very simple. We have to go preferences and from there we have to check. In this video I will show you how you can restore back everything here. It's very pretty straightforward and simple. If you know this, is very simple, but if you don't know, then it's very difficult. Okay, so I will discuss this thing, but before going to the main video, I will request you, if you are new to my channel or if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Okay, so here is the Finder window. We deleted a couple of things intentionally, but for your case you can you have this situation by mistake or somehow like that, and one day you're trying to figure out what is the desktop or is the downloads or document, something like that, it's missing. Okay, so how we can restore this? To restore this, at first we need to select the Finder and then click the Finder here in the top, and from there go to preferences. So just click there and the preferences window will be appeared over there. Okay, now from here we have to go sidebar. There are a couple of icons are there, like general, tags, sidebar, advanced. So we need to go sidebar. Once you are in the sidebar, then you will see there is favorite. Okay, so this favorite and these favorites are the same. See, so all the folders are there, but here only particular couple of folders are there. So which folders are here? Basically the folders which are check marked, right? These are checked, this is checked, and this is checked. These three are checked. So basically those are there, like recent apps, applications, something like that. Okay, we intentionally deleted couple of things like downloads. Okay, so if we check this, then you will see here downloads. And then if you check, we deleted desktop, right? So if we check this, then the desktop will be there. And if we check documents, and the documents will be there. Now everything is there. This is the default position of your Mac. For example, in our case it was the default position, and we restored everything. So in this way you can restore, and after that you can rearrange. Suppose you want to put downloads at the bottom, you can also drag and drop at the down. Okay, or if you want to move this desktop at the beginning, you can also do that. And once you did everything, then go to preferences and then close this because you don't need it. And now close it, and now let's check from the Finder whether it is showing this or not. So I'm going to click Finder again, and once we click the Finder, then we are seeing that everything is as usual, like before deleting or after deleting something, it's same. Okay, so in this way you can easily restore missing Finder sidebars on your Mac OS, and it is very simple and straightforward. We just need to change the settings from the Finder preferences and from their sidebars. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy this video or if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment or share this to others. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.